How to replace the wiper blades on a Winnebago Solis, which also applies to the Ram Promaster. So you don't need tools. I got these at Costco. The brand is Michelin. They include the wiper blades and the connector. The connector will not look identical to the OEM that's installed on your Ram. So first thing you do is you flip your wiper blade back. As I mentioned earlier, you don't need any tools. And even though it seems like it might break, all this part right here is metal. The end looks like a hook. All the rest of this over here is going to get replaced. You'll see what I mean right now. So you flip it forward and you'll hear a click. See how it goes all the way? Again, you click it. You do have to apply some pressure and you'll see that it spins all the way around now. You can see that there's a tab right here. And that tab has a little part that's sticking out which is holding it in place. So push this tab, push it down, and then apply pressure to slide the wiper blade off. Once you got it moving, keep holding that tab down, slide downwards, and it'll come off. So here, let me explain to you what we just did. See this hook over here? That's what connects it into place. This is a tab we were pressing. So as you can see, that little part right there, that's the part that sticks out through this hole right here, which holds it in place. So when you push this down, it allows you, see, it allows you to slide it off. And that's it. That's how you remove it. Now, if for some reason you wanted to put this one back, or if you got an OEM, the way you would put it back into place with this part facing to the left, insert the end of the hook in here, and now pull it upwards and it'll snap into place. You probably heard that. That's it. Okay. That's how you would put your OEM piece, or your original manufacturer. If you got this from Ram, that's how you put it back on. Now, if you got the replacement from at Costco or just a Michelin brand, twist it clockwise. This little cover will automatically pop off. Okay, and the reason for that is so that you can hold down this tab. Hold down the tab. You have to move it back into its original position and then push it downwards. In this case, I'm pushing it to the right now, okay? And then it came off. Now to put on the Michelin brand, see, the part doesn't look the same, and now it's two components. This is where the hook goes on. Pull it away, and now it's locked into place. You can see that. That part ain't going anywhere. And instead of pushing this tab down, that won't do anything. You have to pull it up. Pull it up, and then it comes off. Again, that is the opposite of what you would do with the OEM part. Again, to install this connector, just slide it into place. It snaps. Make sure it's not going anywhere. The wiper blade has this little bar right here. You want to put that bar into this notch. There, snapped into place. Now you got these tabs. And there you go, it's installed. It'll move, but but it isn't coming off. Now if you want to remove it, again, if you want to remove it, press these tabs, it comes off, pull. Next season you have to replace these wiper blades, and this part looks good. You could probably leave it on there, but if you want to replace it, pull the tab up, pull down. That's it. Get your new part, pull up, it's connected, bar connected to the notch, pops into place, and then you'll hear this. And then the tabs snaps into place, and that's it. And you're done. Now you're ready for the rainy season. Thank you for watching, and I welcome you to watch my other tutorial videos. I try to keep them short, and I try to keep them to the point. I hope they are helpful.